It's a 1969 short bed pickup. I bought it as a little bit more than a project truck. It was rolling, starting, running, but it did a bunch of work that was done at different shops by different people, different owners. And I just wanted it completely done over. And I went to about 5 or 6 different shops in the area, and I ended up here at Custom Classic. For me, the guy told me, he's like, oh yeah, I had the exhaust done here and I had some work done here. He had taken it to a few different shops himself. But I knew that, once I kind of decided on Custom Classics, I knew I wanted somewhere where I could get, the whole gamut, to run the whole project through at one time and, just be done with it. I came back, talked to Brian, and we went over kind of what I wanted to do with it. And it started off as just kind of being just the body work. I was going to go with a really, really nice paint job. Of course, I wanted it safe. I wanted the brakes. I had an engine in a crate that I wanted put in. The first modification where it all started is literally with the drip rail around the front of the cab. Brian called me and he says, we should get rid of that thing. Like, oh, it'll be real neat, real smooth, a real nice look, a real clean look. So I said, all right, let's do it. And I think that was the first thing outside of the plan, or like off the map. And now just stepping into it and smelling, it literally smells like a brand new car. So I think that the colors, the layout, what it turned out to be, I think everyone, especially when you're doing a project like this from beginning to end, it reflects more so the owner or the personality or what. It looks like something that would be in my closet, like if you look in like my shoe closet, like the interior looks like something like that. And from beginning to end, the one thing that really caught my eye, or really kind of nudged me in this direction was, how knowledgeable Brian and the guys, the staff were. It's like everything I wanted, they knew about. I would say, oh man, I was just looking in this magazine and I saw this guy did a truck and he had this. They're like, oh yeah, we've done that and we did this. From the AC, I wanted vintage air, I wanted a serpentine kit, cut stuff out of magazines. I would email him links. Hey, check this out. What do you think about this? He'd say, all right, no problem. Let me know. I'll get you some prices. And I would get a lot of compliments. People would be like, hey man, hey, nice truck. And I'd be kind of like, all right, thanks. And it was bright orange with like these graphics on the side. I'm not flashy. I'm not that type of guy that's a bright orange tribal graphic pickup truck. So, this is actually like exactly what I wanted. A nice dark color with the natural looking leather. And I'm definitely gonna drive. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. Every day it's nice that I can. Like I say, it'll be out, so it'll be a drive around me. When it comes to vehicles, like I said, me and my brothers, we're really heavy into cars. We've all got multiple cars, old and new. And the one thing that guides me when I want to buy a vehicle is the value. What kind of made the decision to spend this type of money on a classic car as opposed to a newer car is, I know I can have it forever. It's something that I can have forever, and it's not, if it loses value, not much. It'll always be something that's timeless, and that's why I didn't want to go with any trendy modifications. Like anything, when you go into a new project and it's going to be better, and what you kind of got a vision of it being, and it can seem like a daunting task, but like one step at a time, one move at a time.
Wait, that's the engine that revs it up.
I knew that I wanted a nice car, a classic car. I decided on a truck and found a great spot in you guys, Custom Classics, and man, it ended up, being better than I could ever imagine. So thanks to you guys.